Weather is one of the only components in a battle that you just can't change. And being able to predict it accurately gives the American warfighter the leg up in any combat situation. My name is Captain Tyson Johnson. I am the Ground System Flight Commander at the NOAA Satellite Operations Facility. On a daily basis, my team and I make sure that the DMSP constellation, which is the only military weather satellite, is functioning and that it's able to get its data to the warfighter in a timely manner. From the flights that are going across the country to knowing whether or not it's going to be a good day to go to the beach. This information is very vital. It really affects everybody. I think we've got a great mindset with the warfighter in mind. I mean, if we can't predict the weather well, those guys that are in the fight, if they get hurt, medevac helicopters aren't going to fly. So one of the things that we provide is modeling for sandstorms, and that's a huge concern for rotary wing aircraft. And to be able to predict the wind and how that sandstorm is moving, how fast it's moving, it's going to give them the window that they need to get off the ground. I support that effort. Probably the #1 priority of any space operator is the health and safety of their constellation. So we're not just looking at weather here on Earth, we look at space weather as well. Solar flares, solar winds, anything that's out there that could potentially damage our spacecraft. And being able to provide weather data in space is a very important part of any kind of space ops, and we do that here. Our team is made up of 4 military personnel, 3 captains and a major. And we've got the stick here. We make sure that the warfighter has weather data. We ensure that the ground system is capable of performing the mission and that the satellite sensors are performing as expected. If not, then we bring together the coalition of mission partners that we need in order to get the weather data back in the fight. The weather prediction that we're able to provide, both for civilian and military applications out of this facility, really is the gold standard for both civilian and military weather prediction. And to be in this position here and now, making the kind of decisions that I'm making that impact an entire 7 satellite constellation is pretty incredible.